Recently, people started this debate regarding the environment. Elon Musk sure thinks so. Tesla took our dreams of buying Tesla with Bitcoin. But surely they paved the way for new currencies to solve these problems. In today's video, we'll talk about such initiatives called Solana. Hey crypto lovers, this is Crypto Billionaire, your friendly neighborhood crypto and financial education channel. No author at Crypto Billionaire YouTube channel takes guarantee of losses incurred while investing, as we do not provide financial advice and crypto markets are high-risk markets. The sole purpose of information posted on the YouTube channel is for education only. With keeping that thing in mind, let's begin with today's video. So, what is Solana? Yeah, it's another cryptocurrency project, but what makes it special then? Well, the experts describe it like this. Solana is a blockchain network built for speed, security, and efficiency. It combines the proof of stake consensus algorithm, POS for short, with a novel proof of history or POH system. It went above your head. Don't worry, I'm still here. So, if I'm getting into the story, the Solana blockchain network has been quietly making waves by enabling online businesses to make sales and purchases online with crypto. Solana has this innovative blockchain solution. According to its creators, due to that, merchants can now enjoy instant payouts without waiting days or even weeks for funds to settle in their bank accounts. If we talk about its launch, it launched in the spring of 2020. Its native token, SOL, is one of the top 15 coins on the charts. And according to the web, as more companies start using its network, investors who get in on Solana now stand a better chance of striking gold in the future. As the most recent example, Australia-based blockchain company Power Ledger is to migrate to Solana from Ethereum network in search of higher speed and scalability. The firm also cited the lower energy output of Solana's proof of history (POH) and proof of stake (POS) mechanisms in an announcement recently. Co-founder of Power Ledger says, "The Power Ledger Energy is built to audit and streamline the buying and selling of renewable energy." The Power Ledger technology stack was built on a low-power POS consortium in 2016 before transitioning to a modified fee-less proof of authority Ethereum consortium chain in 2017 that serves in purpose in the short term. But the limitations of this solution were always very apparent, including low transactions per minute. Let's try to understand through different approaches what it is that attracting so many companies to this network. If we talk about it in technical terms, in POS, the more of your own money you add to the pot, the larger chunk you will get from the network's reward pool. POS relies on having as many people staking as possible to keep the network running smoothly and securely. Some networks, including the popular Ethereum, approve the most expensive transactions faster than smaller ones. That's because Ethereum uses proof of work, POW, giving miners the option to select the most lucrative transactions first. In contrast, POH is built like a clock. It records all transactions in real time, making sure they are processed in order while speeding up the entire network. Okay, I got your back. Let's try to understand it like this. Think of it like a traffic jam on the freeway. If the biggest car gets pushed through first, everyone else has to sit and wait, and the whole roadway moves slower. Solana's approach keeps traffic running smoothly and constantly, helping its network process 50,000 transactions each second, while the Bitcoin network, which relies on brawny computer racing to crack through math puzzles in order to approve transactions, can only handle 5. And since Solana's ultra-efficient blockchain consumes far less energy than proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin's, it can also offer some of the lowest transaction fees on the market, less than 0.01 per transaction. These numbers suggest that Solana has all the makings of a successful blockchain backed by a solid native token that is holding its own on the crypto charts, outperforming the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum. SOL's price is up by more than 6,000% from its all-time low a year ago. Since that low point, the Solana project has been busy raking up game-changing partnerships. Chainlink, one of the blockchain's largest smart contract networks, integrated with Solana at the beginning of 2021. And to handle its rapidly growing community, chat app Kick's native crypto token, KIN, completed the migration process to Solana at the end of 2020. and this resulted in 58,925,415 wallets with a positive balance on the ecosystem, Solana's largest number of accounts by far. You might be asking why the hell these companies are leaving the promising Ethereum for Solana. According to these reports, Solana's utility makes it a great choice for corporate crypto adoption, perfectly positioned to offer fast, secure, and transparent solutions for online shopping. Solana allows businesses to get paid instantly, while customers can rest easy knowing their card information won't get compromised. Solana might be a real game changer. Solana is picking up steam fast. In October 2020, Circle, one of the internet's largest payment systems, partnered with Solana to enable the immediate issuing of payments of USD Coin, a stablecoin that pegs its value to the US dollar. In turn, Solana delivers Circle a highly efficient ecosystem of payments, commerce, and financial applications entirely on the blockchain, all at lightning speeds. But things get even more interesting when you remember that Circle partnered with Visa in December 2020 to let people easily spend USD coins through Visa's network. That likely means even more people will use Solana's network to pay others and get paid, further boosting the value of SOL tokens over time. Adding to Solana's momentum, Digital Assets AG now offers tokenized stocks. Digital assets listed on crypto exchanges on Solana, with shares of Facebook, Google, Tesla, Netflix, and Nvidia, all available to trade at launch. Tokenized stocks give investors all over the world easy access to the US stock market and let smaller investors easily buy fractional shares if they can't afford whole ones. Additionally, users can trade tokenized assets traded 24 hours a day, rather than only when the market is open. Great if you're a night owl who loves to watch the market around the clock. So here are my thoughts. See, in my opinion, as the basic principle suggests, coins that offer utility have the best shot at rising in value. Their underlying tech needs to solve real-world problems, and that's what Solana's blockchain does. As more people sign up to the network and buy SOL tokens to interact with it, its value should continue to rise. The stock market is currently worth almost $100 trillion, which points to the massively potential of projects like Solana to gain a sizable chunk of the market share for investing transactions. If more Fortune 500 countries take the plunge into tokenized assets, early investors could stand the best chance of raking in any resulting profits. SOL could be a buy and hold. It's a token with real utility at a fair price that you can add to your crypto holdings while taking advantage of the crypto dips. But it's not a definite buy since SOL, like all other coins, can fluctuate during bearish markets. Again, at this point, many projects are looking so full of hopes, and yeah, we can definitely praise them, but just can't promise that it'll last. So many things are happening in the crypto market that you can't bet all on one, so playing safe might just be the key. And the irony is, we can't even promise that it's the wisest move, but yeah, it's the safest move as the name suggests. I read about it. All of it. My initial thoughts were that it seems like a pump and dump, and that the pump was already over. It has not shown any promising signs after that. I spent time on the crypto forums, and there were hundreds of coins like this. There's no talk about what they'll do, only about the price and how they're going to the moon. Some people get in on the ground floor and make massive gains, but most aren't so lucky. Check out our videos to know more about different crypto options. It's not financially advised to invest your life savings into crypto, as the market is just too volatile for that. But that too is a fact, that opportunities don't really come that often to be missed. Invest only an amount that you won't regret if you lose all of it. So what are your thoughts on it? Do you think Solana will succeed with its vision and it'll outrun Ethereum? Or is it just another project which has no future? Let us know in the comments below. Do like if you've liked our content. And I don't know what you're gonna do with this red button below. Drop it down from the building or play crypto with it. I really don't care. But it's gotta change from red to gray. I really don't like that red color. Peace out.